Alright, well, hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you here as always. In this video I'm going to be working on the hot side cooler piping. So as I left off yesterday, you would have seen we managed to get this thing started up for the first time with the new cam. I was having some issues with the idle air control valve. I managed to get it to run all right by just blocking this off for the moment. As you can see, it's unplugged. But I'm going to try and sort out a solution for that with a different idle air control valve and see if I can get it any better. I also ran into issues with the ABS module. Sitting up here left no room for this intercooler pipe to come down, so I relocated it down here underneath the bracketry where it all sits. I had to trim off this bracket here, but that now gives me plenty of room for my piping to come down through into there. So that's going to be my job for today. I want to try and get this intercooler piping sorted out. It's going to be a bit tricky because I got 3 Wiggins clamps that have to go on the one pipe. It also has to step up from 3 to 4 inch. So it's going to be a rather difficult one. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting into it and having a go and seeing how I can get it to turn out. I just came out and swapped out this sensor for the coolant temperature. I loosely got this Wiggins clamp sitting on here. But yeah, if I can get this new idle air control valve ordered and on the way, hopefully that will solve that issues. Otherwise I might end up just blocking it off and leaving it to sort itself out. Basically didn't seem to do too bad without it. I'm gonna get stuck in with getting this intercooler piping sorted by firstly cutting up this bit of a bend here and working out where I can route it, and then just before it goes through that hole there, I'm going to step it down to the 3 inch with a Wiggins clamp on it, and then it'll go down and back around and out to the front of it there. So anyway, I better get to some work. I gotta get that idle air control valve sorted or ordered as well, so I'll do that too. Well, the question is, do I put the Wiggins clamp on here, or do I continue the pipe down the hole and put the Wiggins clamp underneath? I do not know. Fuck. Fucking look at me go. Where's my pen? Alright, so I think the camera's just shut off, but here we go. We got this pipe pretty much sorted now. It goes up in there, which then carries on off to the throttle body. So I'm pretty happy with the way these have turned out. Now I'll take them all off, and I'll take them all off, weld them up on the bench, and then I'll cut back to you guys once I've got it finished. We'll have a look at the finished product. Toy like a toiger. Alright, well there you have it. Alright, well there you have it everyone. That's going to be it from me in this video. As you would have seen in that last little clip, that now completes the intercooler piping setup for this and/or charge system. I had to go and change over the air intake temperature sensor to a Haltech one. I couldn't get a weld-in fitting again for the GM one that I was using. But yeah, that's it now complete. It's got the Wiggins clamps, one there, There's another one down there, and then the other one on the front of the cooler there, and the piping now runs through there and up into the throttle body. That looks pretty average, and I mean, yeah, it is what it is though. I can't really do much more about it though. I don't really want to cut the entire inner fender here out of it to get the 4-inch all the way through. It's not going to hurt performance at all, but it does look a little ugly. But I don't really care how it looks. It's going to work fine. And then over here, I've got turbo guard on it, just because I don't have any room to fit the filter on there. And yeah, I'm just waiting for my IAC, or idle air control valve, to show up. I have ordered a new one. So I'm just waiting for it to be delivered. It should be here tomorrow, and then I can fit the front bumper. We can go and take it out on the street and work on the tune. So yeah, that's where I'm going to leave it in this video, guys. It's been a long day of work. It's taken me almost all day just to do these two pipes on this cooler piping. And yeah, I'm pretty pooped. I'm gonna go inside now and get some rest. But I'm pretty happy with the results and the way it's come out. Huge shout out to my wife for the lovely GoPro Hero 9 that I'm recording on now as my birthday present. I'm looking forward to be able to using a combination of this and the camera setup that I was using, and trying to get a little bit better videos happening for you guys. This gives me the freedom to walk around and show you guys what I'm working on. I don't have to go and get the big heavy gimbal out to do that. I'm curious to see what the audio is going to look like or sound like. How does audio look? But what the audio is going to sound like on it. I do have a lapel mic and a recorder. I just need to get an adapter from the mic to the recorder, and audio won't really be an issue then anyway. But yeah, I'm keen to see this thing back out on the street and making some boost. I do still need to pull the wastegate off it. I have forgotten to do that again, so I still need to get that off. Change out a couple of the springs in it, and then I can fit up the bumper and we can go out and work on the tune on it. So that's probably what the next video from me is going to be about. Once I get time to film it for you guys, as well as go and drive the car and do it. But yeah, anyway, I just want to thank you all for watching. Please leave your comments down below, leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, and you're looking forward to seeing this thing rip and make some jam as I am. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. For fuck's sake.